voluntary blood donors, there had been severe problems being faced by people who are suffering from various diseases, of course, other than COVID-19 in across hospitals. And that's why doctors from AIIMS have come to this particular donation camp to not only donate their blood, but also make people aware that how important it is to step up as citizens of this nation and donate their blood. We'll try and talk to as many doctors as possible who have come from AIIMS over here. We'll try and go to this person. So please introduce yourself and please tell us that what is the purpose of conducting this blood donation camp?
Myself, Dr. Vijay Kumar. I am assistant professor in AIIMS New Delhi, and in this blood camp, we actually in this COVID-19 crisis, we are in dire need of the blood and blood components. So these voluntary donors are like Sanjeevani Booty for the blood camp, blood banks and the hospitals in these critical situations. जो आज जब लॉकडाउन है तो जो जिनके मरीज़ एम्स में या दूसरे अस्पतालों में भर्ती हैं, जो ब्लड बैंक्स हैं वो बिल्कुल सूख गए हैं क्योंकि लोग नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हैं वॉलंटरी। तो इसलिए हमारी जो बस है ब्लड बैंक की तरफ से वो यहाँ आई है और इस ज़िले के जो लोग हैं, सेवा भारती ने जो ये कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, लगभग 100 के आसपास यहाँ से आज वॉलंटरी डोनर्स जो है ब्लड डोनेट कर रहे हैं।
वॉलंटरी डोनर्स हमें पता चला है कि एम्स के जो डॉक्टर्स हैं वो भी शायद अपनी ब्लड डोनेट कर रहे हैं, जो जनरली वो करते आए हैं और आज भी कर रहे हैं। 22,500 से ऊपर शायद जो नंबर है वो चला गया है। आप क्या चला गया?
जी 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 जो सेवा भारती, सो देयर इज अ NGO called Seva Bharati with whom we have collaborated right now, and I am Dr. Amit from AIIMS. I am senior resident. Or every day at least 5 to 10 doctors are donating in AIIMS also, and we have come over here to motivate people to donate more, to create awareness. And there is an NGO called NMO, National Medical Organization, which is running since 70s, and they along with Seva Bharati have conducted a previous camp on 29th also, where 55 donations were done.
Similar such camps are being organized by the army jawans as well. We had seen CRPF personals and also CISF personals organizing similar blood donations camps. I'm going to show you the kind of queue that has been formed at the end of this particular corridor, that so many voluntary donors had come over here in order to donate their blood and of course be part of this noble cause. And I'm going to show you inside also that what exactly the process that is underway right now, that each and every voluntary blood donor over here is giving their blood for the noble cause, for people who are suffering with other diseases and they need blood on a daily basis. Doctors wearing PPE kits, they are conducting the entire process of taking blood and also giving them food items and other items in order to boost their energy just after donating their blood. So this is a very noble cause where not only voluntary donors but also the doctors from AIIMS are donating their blood.